We just talk about sports and during '96 how we won the World Cup and how we beat India, and also talk about future Sri Lanka, and it went really well. Honorable Prime Minister is, I think, following cricket. He knows everything, and not only as a leader, being the most powerful person in the South Asian countries, and his cricket knowledge is very good, and he knows about the cricket, and talk about '96, about Sanat Jayasuri, Aravind, and asked me about how we beat India. When you take India is the most powerful country, and when it comes to cricket as well, and all the knowledge he has, and the way we interact with him is really, really, really good.